Are you struggling to improve your English fluency? Do you want to speak English fluently or confidently? Hello, this is Neha and I'm here to help. In this video, I'm just going to be exploring tips and tricks that's just going to be help you in your English fluency journey. And even you can practice English speaking at home without a partner. I know it seems like a not possible thing when we talk about the without partner, but you can do it. It's not like a crucial thing that you have to find a buddy, you have to be find a accountability partner who are just going to be help you in your in your fluency journey or in your English journey. It's not even like a essential thing. So now let me tell you the first tips and tricks, and that is you can record yourself. Recording yourself is crucial when it comes to be speaking English. It is because when you have to be record yourself, then you must have some words, you must have some sentences so that you can speak to yourself. It's not going to be all about so easy. It's not going to be piece of cake. You have to be make efforts towards it, and after that you are going to be understand it. Yeah, it's just going to work for me. So, first of all, you have to be record yourself, and how is just going to be help you in your fluency journey, because it will boost your confidence over the time when you are just going to be gradually understand it, when you are just going to be take it like in a practice, daily practice, and then you will see that your English fluency is just going to be improve over time, and it's essential to know. So that's why, first of all, let me tell you how you can practice and how you can record yourself. And the first thing is you have to find a quiet and the comfortable space where you can be relaxed and focus. And now, second step is you must have selected some topics, and you must know that what kind of things about what topics I'm just going to be talk about here. Even it could be like a activities, emotions, patterns, and even the you can describe a object as well. So it up to you what kind of things you are just going to be describe here. But first of all, you have to be understand about what you are just going to be talk here. So let's suppose you have decided I'm just going to be talk about my activities, whatever I have done throughout the day. It could be like your routine. So you are just going to be understand that okay, I have decided that now it comes to be speaking part. So now you are going to be speak to yourself, record yourself at that time. Now, even before that, before recording yourself, you can find out some vocabulary on Google. You can search like you are thinking in your native language, and now you are feeling okay, these are the words that I don't know how to say in English. Then you can find their meanings, and you can find how to say these particular words in English on Google and on social media as well. Now, just write them. Whatever you have find, you are just going to be remember them, and you can just memorize them. And after that, when you are just going to be record yourself, just try. You have to be use those words in that particular recording. Whatever you are describing there, it doesn't matter, but you have to be describe something at least for 5 minutes. And second trick is that you are going to be follow here so that you can be fluent in English, and that is you have to be practice the shadowing. What does it mean by the shadowing? Actually, I have already talked about the shadowing technique in my previous videos, and it is crucial. It is like a mind blowing technique when it comes to be an intermediate level, and when we talk about an advanced level learner and who are just going to be improve themselves. So it's just going to be help them. Even if you are a beginner, then it will help you, but you have to be follow it. So now let's understand what does it mean by the shadowing technique. So shadowing technique simply mean when you are just going to be listen to a native speaker, and you have to be repeat that Whatever speaker is speaking, you are just going to be repeat his intonation, rhythm, and his pronunciation. But you don't have to be copy his style, because his style only his. Okay, when it comes to be that, you have to follow your own style. You are practicing shadowing because you want to be fluent, and that's why you are going to be practice shadowing techniques, so that you are just going to become to know how to pronounce some particular certain words, how you are just going to be speaking some particular words or the sentences in a particular situation or event as well. You are going to be understand that, and that's why it is essential to copy, to follow your own style and not to copy their style. And now you are just going to be repeat only their pronunciation, intonation, and when it comes to be rhythm as well. So you have to become to know, okay, these are the things I'm just going to be understand here. So it was like you are just going to be practice the shadowing technique for at least 10 minutes or the 20 minutes. It depends on you. Even you can give it like a for at least for 5 minutes on the daily basis. It will help you to improve your English fluency. And the third point is self talk. I know when it comes to be, I've already talked about the self recording, but when I'm talking about the self talk, so it's just going to be different from that. It is because when we talk about the self talk, so it's not going to be like verbally, it's not going to be you have to be speak out. Even you can think, like suppose you are sitting alone, you are sitting with yourself, and there is no one around you, and now you are thinking something. Now you are just going to pay attention what I'm thinking here, and you have to be shift your thinking from your native language to the English. That's crucial. Even it was like the okay, you are thinking in English, but when it comes to the self talk, you can practice self talk even in the thinking way and even in the speaking way. So when it comes to be thinking, so you have to be pay attention whatever you are thinking when you are alone, when there is no one surround you. And that's why you have to be understand, okay, what kind of things, what kind of thoughts, and the what kind of patterns, emotions just coming and going into my mind. You have to be understand that. And now it comes to be shifting your thought from your native language to English. It is crucial. I know it takes time, but you have to be give it a try. Now let's talk about how you can practice self-talk when it comes to be speaking part. So now, like suppose you are talking to yourself. So it could be like you are going somewhere and there is a park beside you, and you had started talking to yourself, okay, this is a park and there are the green or something like that, there are the people walking here, or these kind of things you can tell yourself. And you are just going to be describe whatever you are watching. It could be like, okay, there are the lot of people, and you have to be tell to yourself, okay, there are the people. And if you have see something strange, you have to be try that, you have to be tell yourself whatever is happening around you. So it is like you are talking to yourself, even you don't have enough vocabulary, even you don't have enough words to describe particular events or particular situations, but you have to be give it a try. Just try it out. And if you are not comfortable with that one, then you have to find a comfortable and a quiet space where no one is just going to be see you. And after that, you can practice the self talk. You can talk to yourself in a simple way. You can talk to yourself like a buddy, like a best friend. You can ask yourself, how are you, what's going on in your life, what are your plans, future plans. You can ask yourself these kind of questions, and you will see that your mind has started responding at that particular, like whatever you are asking to yourself. Your mind is just going to be try to give you answer, just try to provide some particular answers in English. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helped. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.